How to wake your screen whenever you receive a notification. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can configure your mobile settings so that the screen wakes up every time you receive any particular notification, and then you can see that particular notification easily. So let me show you how you can enable this particular setting. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open your settings application, and once you're inside the settings you will need to scroll down and find this particular setting, that is notifications and quick settings. Once you will find the notification settings, simply tap onto them, and then from here if you will scroll down you might find this particular setting that says wake screen when a notification is received. So if you want to wake your screen every time a notification is received, you need to enable this particular setting by tapping onto this toggle, and now your screen will wake whenever you will receive a notification. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.